Ever filled a property form and you have heard back after 3 days later when you have already signed with another agent? So, welcome to Real Estate. Today, we are talking about something wild, voice AI. Not the sci fi kind, I mean real working AI receptionists that answer leads within 60 seconds. That too in 100 different languages. No delays, no attitudes, no lost leads. Let me tell you the best part. It's already replacing humans in 3 parts of real estate sales cycle. In this video, I'm going to show you everything, the pain points, the real client demo, and exactly how the backend automation works. So let's face it. So before we dive in, quick heads up. If you want this build for a real estate business, I am limiting it to just 3 free consultation slots per video. The link is in the description. Book a free AI consult and I will show you how you can make your agency grow from "we'll get back to you soon" to
Hi, this is Jordan. How can I help you today?
in just 60 seconds. So don't lose this chance. The link is in the description. So let's start with the core problem. In US, real estate agencies lose more than $14 billion a year due to slow or missed lead consequences. Nearly 78% of the home buyers go with the first agent that responds fastly, not the best agent. As you know, the impact of timing is always greater than the impact of talent. But we all know you are busy. You can't call every lead 24/7 just after a minute they fill the form. That's where this AI agent comes in. And no, this isn't one of those creepy robot voices from 2030. I trained it to sound like a friendly receptionist who switches to a different language if needed. So yeah, let me show you how it works. So yeah, like this is my voice AI agent which I have created in Webby, and actually it's still in testing phase. It's for a real client, that's why I have written this name. And yeah, it's not yet complete, but I will give you a walkthrough. What's performing till now. So this is our full prompt. I have written the name of the company for which I am working right now, and the temperature is 0.2, max token is 450. Voice configuration is Vapi Neha, which is a bilingual voice which can speak Hindi and English both. Additional configuration is this. Transcriber is Deep Ground, English Indian, Nova 2, background noise everywhere, confidence threshold 0.5. I have used 3 tools. This one, the checks availability, which schedules meeting, and the third one, virtual meeting today. So I will also give the details of the functions. Enable end call function. There is no custom function. Let's jump to messaging. So in fact there are only 2 server messages because I don't want my mail.com to get tons of requests, and also it will cost me a lot of operations. So only 2 server messages. And yeah, this is an end call function. I have written due to security reasons. But basically here I am using Squad, which I have created using Postman. By creating it using an API call gives you more dynamic features. You can also set the first message which you want to say when it shifts to the second agent. And yeah, like using Postman is more dynamic as compared to creating a Squad using the Vapi interface. And so yeah, let me show you the tools. Virtual meeting today, it will be triggered when the mode is virtual meeting and day chosen is today. We are trying to trigger a different flow, a different branch in make.com. That's why this function is made separately for virtual meeting, and that too if the person wants to be done it today. Its values is strictly today. So yeah, this is my server URL, and the second function is this. Schedule the meeting on the requested time, where we will get the customer name, customer email, and the requested time. But actually name and email we will be fetching it using a Google form, or you can say from the landing page of my client. But right now we have just configured it using Google form. In future, when the prompting and everything is done and the client is happy, then you will shipping it to the landing page of his company's website. So yeah, requested time is taken in a different format, which is this. And this is the third function which is used to check the availability from calendar. And the parameter which is used is only requested time here. I will now try to give a call to myself. So this is my form. Let's give my name. Submit. So you will get a call within 60 seconds. So yeah, I received the call.
Thank you for showing interest in. This is Gargi, your AI assistant. Tanish, do you want to continue in Hindi or do you want to continue in English?
I want to continue in English.
Great. We offer a high potential investment opportunity in India's first planned green. Our GDCR approved residential and commercial plots have clear titles and excellent connectivity to the state highway and center. What kind of property are you interested in? Residential or commercial?
I am interested in residential property.
Thank you for your interest in residential property. Are you interested in a virtual meeting or no?
I am interested in a virtual meeting.
Are you available today or tomorrow for the virtual meeting?
I am available today.
To confirm, you're scheduled for a virtual meeting today, and our agent will call you in 30 minutes. You will receive a reminder call or WhatsApp message before your appointment. Thank you for scheduling with us. We look forward to assisting you. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you.
Thanks for choosing. Goodbye. Have a great day.
Bye. So yeah, let's jump in mail.com. So this is my first scenario which I am using to schedule a call whenever someone's fill a form. And the call will be made within 60 seconds because we don't want to lose our leads. That's why fast you call, the better are the results. This is the custom webhook which is connected to my form, and as soon as whenever anyone will fill the form, we will get the values here. This branch is the one which is triggered when someone calls us, and here the message type is not a question of call report. Multiple variables, phone number, name, email, property interested, everything which we fetch from our form. You can see how it looks like. So this is the module which extracts the first name of the person from his full name, and this is the module which extract the last name. It's possible for someone to not have a last name, or it's possible that they haven't given their last name in the form. So in that case, we will just return a. And then the tools, which is the last name and first name according to the result from our OpenAI module. So this is in short, if the phone number contains the country code or not. So because we want to make it more dynamic, in some cases people don't give the country code. So in this case, this branch will be triggered else. If the phone number contains the country code, this branch will be triggered. And this is my WAPI agent, and it's dynamically created, and also it's a WAPI squad. And as you can see, I created it using the API call, so that's why I have better features here. For example, this one which is not there when you just created using the WAPI dashboard. Serve system message in history. Also the message time from the first assistant to the second one is nothing, because we don't want to process anything based on the conversation with the first agent. So the working of the second agent will be completely different. And also if we want, we can set the first message mode also, in which when it switches to a different agent or the second agent, it will not speak the first message which you majorly give in a WAPI when the call will be finished. So we also want the transcript. My client actually wants how was the behavior of the person on the call, and like to get a better insight of the person, so they need a proper transcript. So this is the end of call report. Whenever this thing happens, then we have to just use a ChatGPT module and to process it into a small paragraph. And then by this I have removed the plus from the phone number, because in my Google Sheet I wanted into a proper format, into a different format. And yeah, I've also replaced the 9-1 with the empty string. So this actually takes my phone number to my database, and after that we'll feed the transcript also, the row number, the result. This will actually search that particular number from my database. As of now, we are just using Google Sheet. This is just a demo. After when we will be connecting with our client's database, then I will be using a proper CRM, which is co-level in this case. After that, when we get the row number of that particular phone number, we will put the details of the call, which is the transcript. Similarly here, if in case the person is giving their number using +91, then we will search for the number with the +91, which is this one, and then similarly we will feed our transcript to this field. So yeah, this is my first scenario, and after that there is a different scenario for my tools, and which is a different one, so let me show you that also. So yeah, this is my second scenario, which is actually connected with my tool cost. I've given this URL into my WAPI tools server URL, and similarly what it does, it actually takes the requested time, and then it processes the work start day, work day end, the main email which is of my client, and it converts into a proper format which we want to schedule our meeting with the agent of that company. And after that, we need to check the calendar. We will go by this one, check availability, and also this company is off on Wednesday, so this thing is also checked. And if we want to book the meeting, then we will use this function. But in case the person asks for a date which is Wednesday, so we will just say, sorry, the requested day is off and please choose another day. So yeah, when someone will ask to check the availabilities, we will go to this module, free busy information, and actually we will get the busy slots. After that, we'll go to ChatGPT, and this ChatGPT will actually extract the free slots from those busy slots. This thing. And after that, we will convert it into a JSON format, and yeah, then we will say, for example, sorry, 3 p.m. is not available, but we do have availabilities on 12 p.m., 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. So yeah, and for example, let's say the whole day is free or the requested time is available, so this branch will be triggered. It says all day is free, pick any slot. It's the case when the text does not exist, and this text signifies the busy slots which we have extracted from our free busy information. And after that, for example, the person says, yeah, book me at 2 p.m. which is the available slot. We will use the different function to schedule the meeting, set variable, and this one which actually removes the plus from our phone number, and this variable removes the 91 plus 91 is a country code for this voice agent. And Google Sheet, we will search that particular person in our database. After it, we will book the table file, and phone number exists without country code. This branch will be triggered. And also, if the customer wants to book the slot for the email, which is actually the same one which he is given in the Google form, so this will be triggered. And if let's say that they want to give a different email, then this branch will trigger. And both actually does the same thing. They book their meeting. And finally, we will again check the busy slots. If in case the requested time is in my text, or you can say in my busy slots, then the meeting can't be booked. Sorry, the requested time is not available. But for example, it's available, it's not there in the busy slots, then yeah, we can book it. In meeting invite will be sent to this email which we take it from the database, and then this will be our statement. But in case let's say the email is completely different, then the email will be taken from a function call which is this, not from the database. And similarly, for example, the phone number person has given which actually contains the country code, then this branch will be triggered. And yeah, everything is similar here. We will finally check the busy slots, and then we will try to book it. And if in case the email is different, we will ask for a different email, and then we will book it and send an invite on that email. So yeah, like this was my voice agent. It's still under development, but yeah, in a week or two, we are finally going to deploy it, and it will be working in real time. So what does this actually mean for your business? You don't lose leads because they go cold. You don't need to hire 3 receptionists just to follow up. You can easily scale up your conversations without scaling your salary budget. And your clients, they feel taken care of instantly. And if you're thinking that this is dope, but can it work for my setup? That's what the free call is for. I will walk you through the current flow and tell you exactly how it can plug in. Click below, book a call, and let's see if this makes sense for your agency. Appreciate you watching this video. Don't be the agent still using voicemail in 2025. So see you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye.